Read, sir.
In the para 5 under amendments, sir. My lord, amendment.
Page 155 is GOMS number 29 dated 8/2/2024.
Yes.
అదే కదా మీరు ఛాలెంజ్ చేసేది, చదవండి అది.
In the said GO, in para 5 under pattern of examination for para B, the following shall be
Which page?
substituted.
ఏ పేజ్ చదువుతున్నారు మీరు?
155, sir. 155.
Read. Only 3 paras are there. 1, 2, 3.
Okay, sir.
ఏ para చదువుతున్నారు?
First para, sir.
Sir.
Government have issued orders regarding the classification of post, scheme and pattern of examination for various categories of post under various groups and other services to be filled up by direct recruitment through Telangana State Public Service Commission. In the GO first read above, the
So, you are
secretary.
not challenging this portion. Any grievance is against first
This
portion?
amendment portion, sir.
Yes.
This one.
Read.
In the said GO, in para 5 under pattern of examination for para
One
B,
minute. Read second para. Second para. Read second para.
the number of candidates to be admitted to
Second para.
the secretary, Telangana State Public Service Commission, Hyderabad, wide letters 3rd and 4th read above, has proposed certain amendments to para B of pattern of examination under the scheme of examination for group 1 services prescribed in the government order first read above, in the light of certain court cases filed in this regard and the observation of the Supreme Court of India in the case of AP Public Service Commission versus Balaji Badavat and others, civil appeal number 2244 of 2009 dated 8/4/2009. So, my lord, third para. Government, after careful examination of the proposal of the Telangana State Public Service Commission, Hyderabad, hereby make the following amendment to the scheme of examination and pattern of various categories of posts to be filled by this Telangana State Public Service Commission issued in GO MS number 55.
Yes. Now read amendment.
My lord, in the said GO, in para 5 under pattern of examination for para B, the following shall be substituted, namely,
Yes.
the number of candidates to be admitted to the written examination conventional type would be 50 times to the total number of vacancies available in each multi-zone.
Yes. You are challenging this portion.
Yes, my lord.
On what grounds you are challenging this portion?
My
What is
lord,
wrong in it?
in this, it is not clearly mentioned about what merit. Either it is on statewide merit or it is on multi-zone
It is
merit.
state level. Group 1 post is a state level post or zonal post?
It is, it belongs to multi-zone cadres.
Not state level post.
Not state level, not state level,
Yes.
multi-zone level,
Yes.
but it is not mentioned in here.
Now read further. Proviso is there.
Provided that in case of any shortfall in respect of candidates in reserved categories as laid down in Rule 22 and 22A of the Telangana State and Subordinate Service Rules 1996, action shall be taken to include such number of candidates from the merit list beyond 1:50 ratio as required to meet the shortfall in the respective categories.
Now read GO 55. వేసారా? ఫైల్ చేశారా?
Sesam, sir. Page number 145.
125.
Para page number 145 GO. GO 155. 148 the para B.
1 minute. Yes, page 145 is GOMS number 55.
Yes, my lord.
Read relevant para. Relevant para.
Relevant. Pattern of examination. The para is B, my lord.
Page number and para.
Page number 148.
Yes, read.
My lord, the number of candidates to be admitted to the written main
You
examination
are reading
conventional type.
B. Pattern of examination B.
Yes, my lord.
Yes, read.
The number of candidates to be admitted to the written main examination conventional type would be 50 times to the total number of vacancies available in each multi-zone duly following the rule of reservation for community, gender, EWS, PH and sports as laid down in General Rules 22 and 22A of TS State and Subordinate Service Rules. My lord, here it is clearly mentioned duly following the rule of reservation. In the whereas in the case of GO 29, it is not mentioned what it should follow.
Second para, GO 29, provided that. Last para.
Provided that in case of any shortfall in respect of candidates in reserved categories and as laid down in
Yes.
Rules 22 and 22A of the Telangana State and Subordinate Services Rules 1996, action shall be taken to include such number of candidates from the merit list beyond 1:50 ratio as required to be meet the shortfall in the respective categories. My lord, here is one aspect here, my lord. The number is taken from but it is not mentioned which merit list. Either it is reserved merit list or open merit list. It is not clearly mentioned.
That will cancel notice for admission, GP services, GAD. 2 names takes notice for R2. Mr.
My lord.
M. Ramgopal takes notice for R1. Post on 27/9 along with
My lord,
WT
my
number
lord,
23775/2020.
Local, non-local issue, one more is